Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the three models of communication, but we are going to specify only one. So first, what is communication? Communication would refer to the exchanging of ideas, information, knowledge from a sender to a receiver, and a receiver can be a person or even an object. People would say that communication is easy as 1, 2, 3 because it's all talking, but frankly they are incorrect. Researchers broken down communication into far more detailed bits so that it could be more understandable. So what are the three models of communication? First, it is the linear model of communication. Second, it is the interactive model of communication. And third, it is the transactional model of communication. Right now, we are only gonna specify, expound, and explain only one model. And that model is the interactive model of communication. So what is the interactive model of communication? It is a two-way process in which the sender sends a message to the receiver, and the receiver formulates a response to be sent also to the sender, in which case they both are creating a conversation. Now, the three models of communication have their own subgroups, and the Schramm's model of communication belongs to the interactive model of communication. Here it explains the significance of the term feedback in this two-way process. Further clarify things, now I'm going to give you illustrations to how the interactive communication works. So right now in this figure, it is emphasized that the feedback is what makes the Schramm's model significant. For when a sender sends his message, he or she will await for the response of the receiver, and they both will converse and create a so-called conversation. So a simple example of this model is when two people are conversing, or a sender is sending his or her message to another person or a receiver, then a receiver sends his or her response to the sender, allowing them to communicate both simultaneously. So as explained, the interactive model of communication isn't really that complex, as this model of communication is used in our everyday lives, the way we communicate to our friends, to our family. This is very much essential in our everyday living.